Yeah. Mask on, gloves tight, little cups lined up in a row. Pick a shade, pick a shine, watch the colors race as they flow. Tilt the world on this canvas, let it run where it wants to go. Tiny galaxy on the table, spinning slow, art is so fun. I'm losing track of time, drip, drop, swirl, it's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Yeah, I call it mine. I call it mine. Heat gun humming like gossip, chasing bubbles right to the side. Little sparkles stuck on my fingers, laughing cause I'm along for the ride. Every streak, every splatter tells a story I didn't plan. From the spill on my sweater to the shine drying on my hair. Art is so fun, I'm losing track of time. Drip, drop, swirl, it's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Yeah, I call it mine. I call it mine. Oh yeah. Who said perfect's the point of creation? I'm chasing joy, not chasing a grade. If it runs off the edge of the table, that's just part of the piece I made. Little worlds in a drying corner, proof that clay can turn into gold. Every layer a loud confession of all the colors I never told. Art is so fun. Art is so fun. I'm losing track of time. Drip, drop, swirl. It's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Art is so fun, watch the colors climb. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Hey. Colors are flying in the air tonight. A splash of red gold under neon lights. With every brushstroke I can feel it glow. A masterpiece we've made and we're ready to show. We're painting dreams with a beat in our hands. Building castles from dust with our own plans. Every note, every line from the start. This is the anthem of creating art. Shapes collide in waves, they bend and break. Sculpting wonders from the chaos we make. A melody whispers through the quiet storm. This canvas is alive, this is the norm. We're painting dreams with a beat in our heads. Building castles from dust with our own plans. Every note, every line from the start. This is the anthem of creating art. No rules, no chains, no lines to stay between.